Hey, welcome everybody to my channel. This is the Costco Samurai, and today we're taking a convenience store food hack to the next level. We're at Family Mart, not just for its famous Famichiki or Kurobuta Pork Bun, but to mash them together in one epic sandwich. It's going to be totally viral. Let's see what this flavor fusion is all about. Here we go. So here's the setup. It's quite easy, really. I've got the Famichiki as the solid base, crispy and golden, and we're crowning it with the steamy Kurobuta Pork Bun. Before it all comes together, I'm smearing a bit of mustard on that bun, just enough to add that sharp, tangy kick. First bite, wow, the mustard cuts right through, meeting the savory crunch of the Famichiki and the juicy sweetness of the black pork. The textures are perfect contrast, the crispiness below and the soft chew above. It's juicy, tangy, crispy, and incredibly satisfying. For only 470 yen, this isn't just a hack, it's an experience that takes Family Mart to gourmet territory. Try it next time. Alright, that's the Family Mart hack you didn't know you needed. If you're craving more creative bites from Japan's convenience stores, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more. This is the Costco Samurai signing off. Until next time, bye-bye.